The advantages of making shepherd's pie. Shepherd's pie is a comforting dish from the United Kingdom that has gained popularity worldwide. It combines minced meat and mashed potatoes into a hearty meal. This dish is known for being budget-friendly, making it an attractive option for home cooks. Shepherd's pie uses affordable ingredients like ground meat, potatoes, carrots, peas, and onions, which are generally low-cost and accessible. It is perfect for using up leftovers, helping to reduce food waste and stretch your grocery budget further. The pie can be made in large quantities, which is ideal for feeding multiple people or for batch cooking. Nutritionally, shepherd's pie provides a balanced meal with protein, carbohydrates, and essential vitamins and minerals. Including a variety of vegetables adds to the nutrient intake, offering fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Choosing lean meat and minimal oil can keep the dish lower in unhealthy fats while maintaining delicious flavors. Shepherd's pie can be prepared ahead of time, allowing for efficient meal management and saving time. It is freezer-friendly, making it convenient to store and reheat later, ensuring you always have a meal on hand. Reheating leftovers is easy, whether in the oven or microwave, making it great for quick meals. The dish is highly adaptable, with options to substitute different types of meat or go meatless with plant-based alternatives. For vegetarian or vegan diets, lentils or beans can replace meat, and dairy alternatives can be used in the mashed potatoes. Gluten-free adaptations are simple, using gluten-free broth and thickeners, with potatoes being naturally gluten-free. The vegetables in the pie can be customized based on seasonality or personal preference, enhancing its flavor and nutritional value. In conclusion, shepherd's pie is a versatile and nutritious choice that suits various dietary needs and budgets, providing a comforting and satisfying meal option.